Protecting the back of your truck isn't just about keeping things dry, it's about securing your gear, cutting down on drag, and giving your truck a cleaner, more finished look. That's where a good hard folding tonneau cover comes in. They're tougher than soft covers, more secure, and usually easier to use than people expect. But with all the different options out there, it's hard to know what's worth your money. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 hard folding tonneau covers, what stood out, what worked well, and who each one's best for. All the links are down in the description if you want to check them out for your truck. Let's get started. Number 5. Gator EFX Hard Tri-Fold Tonneau Cover. Starting off the list is the Gator EFX, a tough, all-weather option that gets the job done without overcomplicating things. If you're looking for something solid and practical, something that just works, this one's an easy pick. It's built from aircraft-grade aluminum panels, so right off the bat, you're getting a cover that's built to take a hit. The panels are coated with a textured powder finish, which not only looks good but also helps fight off corrosion and surface wear over time. The tri-fold design makes it easy to use, folded up in sections to access part of the bed or the whole thing when you need it. Despite the solid construction, it's easy to lift, and the included quick-release knobs mean you can remove the entire cover in minutes if needed. No drilling, no special tools, just clamps. In terms of load capacity, it's rated to handle up to 300 pounds of evenly distributed weight, which is more than enough for most tools, gear, or whatever else you're hauling. What stood out to us most is how it handles bad weather. The full perimeter rubber seals paired with integrated drain tubes keep water from seeping into the bed, even during heavy rain. It's one of those covers you can put on and not have to think about again. The interior latch system is a nice touch for security. Once your tailgate is locked, your bed is pretty much sealed up from theft. Visually, it sits low and flush with the rails, which gives it a clean profile. It's also UV resistant, fits with most factory or spray-in liners, and won't fade under the sun. This one's ideal for someone who wants a reliable, straightforward cover that handles weather well and doesn't require a whole afternoon to install. It's durable, functional, and doesn't try too hard to be anything else. Number 4. BAKFlip MX4. Next up, the BAKFlip MX4. If you spent any time on truck forums or browsing bed covers online, this one probably looks familiar. And for good reason. It's one of the most well-rounded options out there when it comes to hard folding covers. The panels are made from aircraft-grade aluminum, but what really stands out is the matte black finish. It not only gives the cover a clean, modern look, but it also holds up well to scratches, scuffs, and UV exposure. It's the kind of finish that still looks good after months of loading tools or sliding gear on and off the top. With a load rating of 400 pounds evenly distributed, it's one of the stronger options in this price range. The flush fit with the bed rails makes it look almost factory installed, and the low profile helps keep wind drag down. For weather protection, it's got reinforced EPDM perimeter seals and a foam core insulation layer, which adds a bit of structure and helps keep things dry and secure underneath, even in rough conditions. One of the smart touches here is the dual action tailgate seal. You can open or close your tailgate whether the cover is folded or fully down, which isn't always the case with other covers. Another highlight is the auto-latching side rails. As you fold each panel down, it clicks securely into place without you having to do much else. No awkward adjustments or fumbling with extra latches. We also appreciated how simple it is to fold up with one hand. It clicks into a secure upright position, and you can use the integrated prop rods to keep the full bed open when needed. It fits a wide range of trucks, installs with no drilling, and usually takes under an hour. Backed by BAK's solid reputation and a 5-year warranty, this one's perfect for someone who wants something premium and dependable, with just the right mix of durability, style, and ease of use. Number 3. Calffree Hard Folding Tonneau Cover. In the number 3 spot is a lesser-known option that honestly surprised us with its mix of strength, manageable weight, and overall ease of use, the Calffree Hard Folding Cover. It might not have the big name recognition of others on this list, but what it brings to the table is hard to ignore. It's built using a combination of fiber-reinforced plastic and aluminum, with a smart honeycomb internal structure that adds extra strength without piling on the weight. The result? A cover that's solid under pressure yet lightweight enough to install or remove on your own without a hassle. It's rated to handle up to 400 pounds of evenly distributed weight, which puts it right at the top end in terms of capacity. And with built-in heat and water resistance, it protects your gear from everything: harsh sun, heavy rain, dust, and even snow. Security is handled with a tailgate lock setup and a manual lift mechanism. It's simple and low-tech, but it gets the job done. Once your tailgate is locked, your bed is sealed and secure. One of the things we really liked, it only weighs around 60 pounds, so if you ever need to remove it completely or just fold it up for full bed access, it's not a struggle. and you won't need any fancy tools to get started. Installation is clamp-on only, no drilling involved. Visually, the polished finish gives it a clean, slightly glossy appearance. It's also corrosion-resistant, so it holds up well in salty or wet environments. And if your truck uses an OE track system, it's designed to work with those as well. The Calffree isn't packed with high-end features, but that's kind of the point. It covers the basics extremely well: strong, weatherproof, secure, and easy to live with. If you want high weight capacity and full protection without extra bells and whistles, this one's a smart, balanced pick. Number 2. Tutel Hard Shell Folding Tonneau Cover. Runner-up is the Tutel Hard Shell Folding Cover, which checks a lot of boxes for protection, fit, and ease of installation. It's built for everyday use, and it doesn't overcomplicate the process. Just solid, reliable coverage that works in all kinds of conditions. It's made for premium-grade weather-resistant materials, so whether you're dealing with rain, snow, or intense sun, it's built to hold up. The cover resists warping and sagging even with repeated use or when left exposed to the elements for long periods. Tutel also claims it can help improve fuel efficiency by up to 10%, thanks to the aerodynamic, low-profile design that reduces drag. While actual mileage gains vary, the tighter fit and flatter surface definitely create less wind resistance compared to an open bed. Installing this one is refreshingly simple. It uses a clamp-on mounting system. No drilling, no measuring, no extra parts. Just line it up and tighten it down. The result is a snug custom fit that holds steady even at highway speeds. The secure locking system pairs with your tailgate lock to keep your cargo protected. Once the tailgate's closed, the cover is sealed tight, and the watertight edge seals keep moisture and dirt from creeping in. It's designed to keep the bed clean, dry, and ready to use no matter the season. Visually, it's got a sleek, clean look. The low-profile shell and modern edge lines blend nicely into the body of the truck, so it doesn't stick out or look aftermarket. It also plays nice with OE track systems and fits a wide range of popular truck brands, including models like the F-150 and Tacoma. It's lightweight, folds easily, and removes in minutes when you need full access. If you're after all-season reliability, quick setup, and everyday ease of use, the Tutel hits that sweet spot between simplicity and protection. Number 1. BAKFlip T2 Hard Folding Tonneau Cover. Topping the list is the BAKFlip T2, and it's here for a reason. It's built on the same platform as the popular MX4, but with a few subtle differences that make it a standout pick for anyone looking for reliable performance without the top-tier price tag. Like its sibling, the G2 is made from aircraft-grade aluminum panels, which gives it a durable, dent-resistant surface. But instead of the MX4's matte finish, the G2 comes with a high-gloss exterior. It looks clean and polished, and thanks to its UV-resistant coating, it doesn't fade easily in the sun, even after months of exposure. It's rated to handle up to 300 pounds of evenly distributed weight, which is more than enough for tools, lumber, or weekend gear. And like the MX4, it comes equipped with EPDM rubber seals, a dual-action tailgate seal, and a secure latch system to keep the bed protected from weather and theft. Install as a breeze, it's a clamp-on system, no drilling required. Once it's on, the folding panel design makes it easy to access your truck bed. You can flip it open in sections, lock it at different points, or fold it all the way up against the cab when you need full access. The G2 also features integrated drain channels to direct water away from the bed, which helps keep things dry even during heavy rain. At the same time, the cover is lightweight enough for one person to operate or remove solo, which adds a lot to day-to-day convenience. We like how the G2 balances strength with simplicity. It's tough, weatherproof, and just easy to live with. It also plays well with most liners and accessories, and it's built for long-term reliability. If you want something that performs close to the MX4 but with a little more shine and a slightly lower price, the BAKFlip T2 is a smart choice. It earns the number 1 spot for being well-rounded, dependable, and user-friendly across the board. So that wraps up our list of the top 5 hard-folding tonneau covers. Whether you're after something heavy-duty, low-profile, easy to install, or just solid all-around protection, there's an option here that fits the bill. Picking the right one comes down to your truck, how you use it, and what features matter most to you. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a like and subscribe for more truck gear breakdowns. Got questions or favorites of your own? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.